Baba, Yeshua Baba, 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 Fini wa Baba.
Let me also now invite His Excellency Dr. Philip Isdor Mpango, Vice President of the United Republic of Tanzania. Followed by Her Excellency Rebecca Nyandeng Ngarang, then followed by His Excellency Dr. Jakaya Mrisho Kikwete. After last respects have been paid, we shall then hand over to the church to lead us in the sermon. But first of all, let's allow the distinguished guests who have proceeded to first of all view. I'll now invite the Professor David Kodia, Bishop of the Anglican Diocese of Bondo, to now lead us in the service and the homily for this particular session. Professor David Kodia, Bishop, karibu tafadhali. Also to recognize His Excellency Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, President of the Federal Republic of Somalia. Also to recognize Interior Minister of Rwanda, representing His Excellency Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda. So currently we have His Excellency Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, paying his last respects. Then I will invite Professor David Kodia, Bishop of the Anglican Diocese of Bondo, to take over the service. Professor David Kodia, kindly you may take over the service and lead us in the sermon.